In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files on OneDrive. If you've ever accidentally removed a file or a whole folder, don't worry. OneDrive keeps deleted items in a recycle bin for a limited time so you can bring them back quickly. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, and I'll share a few tips so you can restore with confidence. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser and heading to the My Files view. This is your main hub where all your cloud files live. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use both personal and work profiles, because the recycle bin is specific to each account. Once you're in My Files, look to the left-hand navigation and click Recycle Bin. This is where OneDrive stores items you've deleted. You'll see recently deleted files and folders listed here. You can sort by name, date deleted, size, or location to make it easier to find what you need. If you just deleted something, it will usually appear near the top under the most recent dates. Next, choose what you want to bring back. Click the checkbox next to a single file or select multiple items at once. You can also hold Shift to select Arrange or use the Select All option if you know you want everything back. Take a quick moment to review your selections so you don't restore duplicates you no longer need. With your item selected, right-click to open the context menu, then choose Restore. OneDrive will return the files to their original folders, keeping the same names and, in most cases, preserving version history. If you deleted a folder, everything inside it comes back with it. If you prefer using the toolbar, you can do the same thing from the top menu. After selecting your files or using Select All, click Restore at the top. This is especially handy when you're restoring a large batch because it's visible and easy to reach without right-clicking. Give OneDrive a moment to process, especially if you're restoring many files. When it's done, head back to My Files and you'll find everything in its previous location. If you don't immediately see an item, try refreshing the page or checking the original folder path. Remember, if the Restore button is grayed out, you may not have anything selected, or the items may have already been permanently removed after the service's retention window. That's it. Quick and effective. You now know how to recover deleted files on OneDrive using the Recycle Bin and the Restore options. Thanks for watching, and happy recovering.